Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. To all new users of FILMORA9 video editing software, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove video and audio tracks. Let's start. There are two options. Either by clicking here, as you can see, there's a double folder with a plus sign, or either here by clicking the track and by clicking the right button of your mouse. Some options. Same like here. If you click this icon, here's here options. For example, if we wish to add a video track, as you can see, it's already been added here. Try add another video track. It's already been added here in the upper part. As you can notice, there are two tracks already been placed here. This is my sample project. As you open the software, the normal or standard format is always has a new empty project for video and audio. Okay, the numbers are from down to upward. Okay, but if you wish to add, for example, right under the existing project in video project number one, just by clicking the right button of your mouse and choose the option here, the Open Track Manager. As you can see, it appeared here a window display with an options for video tracks or audio tracks. As I mentioned before, I wish to put right under the video here on the existing project. Be sure the figure or number here in audio track is 0 by clicking manually or either by clicking up and down arrow here in the option. Let's try to put, for example, here, let's put, for example, 2 video tracks, and we wish to put or place down or below track number 1. This is the reference. As you can see, video 1, and we are going to put below track 1. Now let us click OK. As we can notice, it has been placed right under or below the existing video project. And wish to cancel it or delete it just by clicking in this track, by clicking right button, or by deleting empty or selected tracks. By the way, these are two options are different. Delete selected track, the track that you have been selected, and by clicking empty tracks, it will be deleted all the empty tracks, even it is a video or audio. Let's try to do this for an example. Empty tracks, as you can notice, all empty tracks, even they are video or audio, has been deleted. Let's try again. If you are going to choose only the video track selected, let's delete the selected track, and only the selected track has been deleted. Okay, let's delete all the empty tracks. Now it appears here all the empty tracks has been deleted. And for example, here in audio track, we wish to put or add audio track right below or in the upper part of the video track. Let us click here, open monitor track, and we're going to put on the above or upper level of the existing audio track. For example, we wish to put two more tracks and be sure that the video track here is 0. Let's put above the track 1 is the reference of audio 1. Let us click here. Okay, as you can see, it's already been added right above the audio track. And let us delete by clicking here, delete the selected tracks or empty tracks, or you can also put up to 99 audio or video tracks as a maximum tracks. It's right above and let's to right below the existing audio tracks. Click OK. As you can see, it has been placed, but the number here in the upper part is 100 because it's already been added the existing to the existing file or existing track number 1. Okay, so you can see 1 up to 100 and here 1 to 100. Okay, let's try to delete the empty tracks and it will be deleted all of them. Okay, and that's it. I hope you learned something from the tutorial, and please subscribe and click the bell button in order for you to update my new uploaded tutorial for FILMORA9 video editing software. Thank you for watching and thank you very much.